Hello, everyone. My name is William, and I 37 years old. I studied civil engineering, and currently I work being modeler for the do Avenida Avenue 68 project here in Bogota. Today, I am going to share my family tree with you. Let's start. My father, this is my father Maximiliano. He is 76 years old. He is a retired philosophy and literature teacher. For his future, he is going to organize his few book collections, and he will write his own memories. My mother, this is my mother is Esperanza. She is 71 years old. She is a retired chemistry and biology teacher, and now she is a homemaker. Next month, she is going to plant a new beautiful garden, and she will travel to beach with the family. My girlfriend is Alejandra. She is 27 years old, and she is environment engineering. Next year, she is going to lead a new conversation project, and she will study for her master degree. My oldest brother, Gustavo Gomez, he is 42 years old. He is an economist and the financial manager de Clínica de Occidente. Soon he is going to implement a new financial strategy at the clinic, and he will buy a new car. Uh, this is my older brother, Oscar Gomez. He is 40 years old. He is a business administrator, and he owns the meat packing plant. Next year, he is going to expand his business to other cities, and he will hire more employees. Uh, Here's my younger sister, Diana Gomez. She is 35 years old, and she is a homemaker. She is and her husband own motorcycle repair shop. Uh, this year, she is going to remodel the shop, and she will buy a new motorcycle. My nephew, Jerónimo, he's 8 years old. He loves soccer and playing the piano, and is and his good godfather. This weekend, he is going to play in the soccer tournament, and he will learn a new song on the piano. Finally, this is my niece Martina. She is 5 years old, and she loves ballet. Next month, she is going to participate in a big dance recital, and I sure they will be great ballerina. That's it, my family tree. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you later.